Hey everyone, this is Anas from UPDF, and today I'm going to show you the easiest and most efficient way to edit your PDFs from your Android phone using UPDF for Android. UPDF for Android is a very powerful tool for you to edit, annotate, insert text, and do many more things in your PDFs. You can easily download UPDF directly on the Play Store or by clicking on the link in the description below. Then simply follow this guide to know how to edit PDFs on UPDF for Android. How to edit PDF on Android. Let's go into UPDF first. Here we can sign in either via email, Apple email, or directly via Gmail. Now here we are on the home menu, and here you can choose the PDF that you want to open. For example, let's say I want to open this PDF in here. Just click on download, takes a few seconds, and here it is, it's open right now. Okay, now we are inside the PDF and you can see a few options at the top here. So if we click on this one here, we can select the text, we can select an image, and if we go directly, for example, and we select the text, we get these options in here: properties, edit, copy, and more. You can see here delete, share, and all these things. And if you want to edit, you can just simply click on edit and it will give you the options to start editing the text in here very easily. Now that you're in the editing menu, you can update, delete, and do whatever transformations that you want to do directly in here. And after finishing the editing, just click anywhere within the screen and it will save automatically the changes for you. Next, if you want to change the properties of any text, just click on it again. You can see the option properties. Click on it and here you can see a few options: the color, the font, the text alignment, the text size, and you can play around with it. So for example here, let's say I want to change that color into green, and you can see here that it changed automatically into green. So it's as simple as that. And if you want to reverse, here you just click on go back and you will reverse the action you just did. For example, let's click in here and we can go again to properties. We can update the font. For example, if you have a specific font that you want to use, let's say Sec Roboto Light, we can also adjust the alignment here. You can see the different options that you have, either being middle, being on the left. You can choose whichever you want. You can even adjust the text size, all of this very easily. And you can see all the updates have been done in here. If you just click outside, then you can see all the updates here have been done. If we go back, you can see the left alignment, the size is bigger, and everything was updated for you. If you want to undo it, just go back and simply undo it and it goes back as it was. Now let's say you want to add some text. Simply go into the top here button where you see the text and the image. Click on the text icon and click anywhere where there is no text. You just click and you can see here that it gives you the option to start writing whatever you want to write. It's very simple and straightforward, and you can add notes and anything that you want super quickly to your PDFs just by doing this. Now let's move on how you can edit and add images. UPDF allows you to copy, crop, delete, replace, flip, and extract, and add new photos. Let's get into it step by step. So now we're here again in the PDF, and now if we click on an image in here, you can see that it's directly selected. We have a few options: copy, cut, delete, crop, replace, and extract. You can even see here horizontal, vertical as well. So let's say we want to just copy and paste it again somewhere else. We can just do it this way. And you can see we just copy, paste it very easily, and it's super straightforward. You can also cut if you want. You can crop it. Just if you click on crop, and here we can just crop it as we wish, and things like this. It's so easy and straightforward. And as usual, when you finish doing the updates that you want, just click anywhere in the screen and the saves will be updated for you automatically. And if you want to delete, for example, this picture, you can just click on delete and it will be deleted for you instantly. If you want to reverse the action, obviously just go back, click on the reverse button to reverse the action. You also have if you click on the three dots here, you can see if you want to turn it vertically, horizontally. So if you want to switch the positioning of your images, you can do it easily. Sometimes you might have some image that appeared vertical, you wanted it to be horizontal. You can do it just here within one click. It's so easy and accessible for you. You also have the option here to replace, and here it will tell you to replace from files, from albums, from the camera. So if you go to files, for example, and you choose the file they want to replace the picture with, let's say Let's say I wanted to include this QR code in here, and you can see the picture was replaced directly with the QR code. Isn't that amazing? Another option here you can see is extract, and if you click on it, it will save that image for you either as an image or as a PDF. And lastly here, if you want to add an image, just click on the image icon on the top, as you can see the top right. Just go anywhere that is empty, and here it gives you directly the option to import from files, from camera, from album, and you can just go and pick a picture that you want to add, and it will be added automatically for you. Then you can go, obviously you can do all the things that we did, crop it and do everything that you wanted earlier. And as usual, just click outside the image and it will save it automatically for you. And that's it. So why is UPDF Android the best option for you to edit your PDFs on Android? So the first reason is that UPDF is quite affordable. It's the sixth of the price of Adobe Acrobat. It's very cheap without compromising on features. Plus, UPDF gives you a one lifetime subscription, so you don't have to pay for it monthly, just pay once and use it forever. And you will get a lifetime of updates as well, and you don't have to worry much about paying a monthly subscription. Second is one license on all platforms. So you pay one license and you can use it on your Android, on your iPhone, on your MacBook, on all the devices that you have, just with one license. 3 is free to test without time limits. Unlike many other UPDF competitors that give you a limited time to try their tool, UPDF lets you test all the features for free with no time constraints. You can try every tool before deciding to upgrade. 4, it's powerful and feature-rich. Above all, UPDF is not just a simple PDF editor for text and images. It's a complete toolkit that includes AI-powered features for more competent document handling, annotation tools to highlight, underline, and add comments, e-signature support to sign your document effortlessly, page organization tools to reorder, delete, or rotate pages, PDF compression to reduce file size while maintaining quality. And there are many more things. In short, UPDF has all the tools you need at your fingertips, plus its affordable pricing, lifetime license, and powerful features that makes it the best choice for mobile PDF editing. Now it's your turn. Download UPDF on the Play Store or use the link in the description below to try it out for free. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe to the channel as well for more tips on how to use UPDF. And if you have any questions, please leave them as well in the comment section. We'll make sure to respond to all of them. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.